Hey YouTube, my name is Paul. I'm here at Alan Ed's Auto Sound. We just finished working on a 2005 Cadillac CTS, and we went ahead and replaced the factory stereo system in the car. My friend came down from Canada, and what we've gone ahead and done is replace the stereo in the dashboard with a new Pioneer AVH-P1400DVD. This is an AM/FM CD/DVD player, and it is all touchscreen. So we went ahead and replaced the factory radio, as you can tell here. This is the new dash kit for the CTS. It does get rid of the factory computer system. So the new unit's in. We went ahead and used the module, so the factory OnStar system is going to be working. And we've got an iPod cable connected to it, so we can play our iPod or iPhone just sitting here. And it's all going through the factory speakers and factory system. Volume up and volume down. Went ahead and chose this unit mainly because it's an inexpensive touchscreen unit that'll give us great control for the iPod and has the USB input directly on the front of the unit. So if you have a CTS and would like to get a system installed, give us a call here at Alan Ed's Auto Sound in Los Angeles. We can be reached at 310-836-5550. And just by pushing this top button where the iPod is, it'll get me the other options, and that's the home screen. There it is, nice simple install. Looks great, fills in the space greatly. We've got Pandora control as an option. iPod, we can go ahead and add backup camera and GPS at a later time. Thanks!